I can't believe I'm saying this again. New Year's just around the corner, and I wanted to show you a fabulous look for New Year's so you can rock the dance floor. So if you're ready, let's begin. Starting with my brows, I'm going to be using a clear brow gel. This is from Jordana, but you can also use a clear mascara. I'm going to push my brow hair upwards to keep it in place. And then using the Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4.5, I'm going to fill in just the sparse areas of my brows. I like to keep it very understated because I want all the attention to be on the eyes. So I'm going to keep my brows light and fluffy. Using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, I'm going to prime my lids. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Every Night eyeshadow palette by Mented Cosmetics because it has a couple of neutrals. It also has a couple of shimmers as well as a black eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow palette with neutrals and black in it. You don't need the same palette, just follow the technique. I'm starting with the shade Chicago to highlight my brow bones using a flat shader brush. Then dipping into Philly with a blending brush by Milani Cosmetics to warm up my crease. I'm going to slowly keep adding more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity while I continue to blend. Just remember with blending brushes, larger the brush, it'll blend out more and it'll spread the eyeshadow more. If the blending brush is pointed or it's narrow at the tip, it's going to be more focused at the crease. Now dipping into Harlem with a more pointed tapered blending brush because I want to focus this eyeshadow in the corners, both outer and inner, and then join them through the crease. As you can see, because the blending brush is more narrower than the first one that I used for the transition shade, it's going to focus that eyeshadow at the crease and not spread it out as much as I did with the transition shade. I'm also going to smoke this out in my lower lash line. Using this black eyeshadow called Brooklyn, I'm going to repeat the previous step. So I'm going to be using it in the outer and inner corners and join them through the crease. But if you observe, I'm using a more tapered, small, fluffy brush because I want it to be extremely focused in the corners and at the crease just to deepen it. So smaller or narrower the brush, you can focus that eyeshadow in narrower areas. But if you want a more fluffed out, more spread out and more blended look, use a larger brush. And then with a smaller angled brush, I'm going to stamp the black eyeshadow very close to my lashes in my lower lash line. Using the fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the black eyeshadow with the brown eyeshadow so there's a good blend in my lower lash line as well. Now's where the magic happens. This is the LH Cosmetics Shimmer Saga palette. It's a beautiful duochrome shimmer palette. It has only 4 eyeshadows, but all of them are equally stunning. I'm going to dip into Crush, and with my finger, I'm going to apply it right in the center of my lid. I'm not sure how much the camera captures, but this is a beautiful green and silver duochrome, and it looks absolutely stunning in person. You can see with just that one stunning eyeshadow, it elevated my eye makeup game to a whole new level. Using this black eye pencil by Pixi, I'm going to line my waterline. Time to finish up, so I'm going to first curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler, and for mascara I'm going to be using the Pixi Large Lash Mascara both in my top as well as bottom lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to be using TL19 by Tati Lashes. These are gorgeous. They are so wispy in the center, so you can see through them and see the eye makeup. And they wing out, so all the volume is towards the outer end. They elongate your eyes while you can still see the eye makeup, and that's what I love about eyelashes that wing out. And can we take a moment to appreciate how stunning this eye makeup turned out? Absolutely beautiful, and it turns out like this every single time with minimal effort. I'm going to pair this with a classy nude lip combo, starting with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 604, which is up and down tan. I'm going to use this in the borders and shade it towards the inner part of my lip. I'm going to fill my lips in with this gorgeous nude lip by Ofra Cosmetics in Bestie. It's my collaboration with Ofra. It's such a classy nude, as you can see. And then I'm going to top it off with the Ofra Lip Plumper. It's transparent. It's only going to add some shine to the existing lipstick. And this combo is one of my favorites. It looks so classy, doesn't look tacky or overdone, and I am loving this makeup look for New Year's Eve, and I'd love to hear from you, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you'd like information on any of the products that I used, you'll find it in the View Products link in this video. It's on the left bottom corner. I love you guys so much. Happy New Year's to everyone, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.